It's a smart idea to get some LinkedIn profile tips. Hiring managers could be looking at your profile right now. According to Forbes, as many as 95% of recruiters may be on LinkedIn, searching for new candidates. In this video, we'll reveal how to make a good LinkedIn profile. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more career advice. Number 1. First, the headline. By default, this is your current or last job title, but it doesn't have to be, especially if you've already left your last role. You could also use the headline to outline the role you want, rather than the last role you had. For example, you could create a more experience or skills-based headline like Experienced Sales Manager Seeking Opportunities in Finance. Number 2. Next, make sure you have an About or Summary section. This can be similar to the personal statement from your CV. Just ensure the first few lines are strong, because that's all people browsing your profile will see before they have to click Show More. For example, as a senior sales manager, I have 6 years of experience leading a team of salespeople, overseeing tasks including sales forecasting and client presentations. Number 3. Don't forget to choose a professional-looking profile photo. Always use a current headshot, not an old photo. Make sure you're dressed smartly, in front of a plain setting like a white wall. Above this, you can add a background picture too. Think of something that portrays your personal brand. A common choice is the city you live or work in, somewhere special you visited, an image related to your industry, or something abstract. Number 4. When thinking about how to improve a LinkedIn profile, check your experience and skills sections are up to date and highlight your best successes. When summarizing your work history, include full job titles, company names, timeframes, and brief bullet point overviews of your responsibilities or achievements. Number 5. If you haven't changed jobs or roles in a while and have nothing to update, then get active by posting relevant articles or sharing and commenting on others. Join and participate in relevant groups too. Otherwise, in your activity section, it will just say, "They haven't posted lately," so recruiters may think you're not very engaged with your work. Number 6. Get recommendations and endorsements. Just ask your current or previous colleagues to write something short and sweet about how great you are. Number 7. Don't overlook the number of connections your profile has. According to LinkedIn, 85% of the best jobs are filled via networking. So try connecting with relevant people you want to know or work with. Here are some more tips on how to improve your LinkedIn profile in seconds, with a few final touches. Number 8. Edit your profile's URL to make sure it's concise, just your name without a long string of digits or letters after it. Number 9. Provide your contact info, an email address, phone number, and website if you have one. And finally, number 10. When your profile's ready, click the Open To button to tell recruiters you're happy to be approached about relevant job openings. With 6 people hired every minute on LinkedIn, it pays to put the work into your profile. So remember, focus on your photo, headline, summary, experience, activity, recommendations, and connections. That's how to make a good LinkedIn profile. Thanks for checking out our LinkedIn profile tips. If you found these useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to PurpleCV's YouTube channel.